start recording again. Okay, so I guess my screen is visible to each and everyone. So I was just going through OOPS concept, but the very first thing that I forgot about thing was padding. What padding is? Uh, Padding is, you know, this is a kind of an important concept. I'll tell you why. When I was reading about it, I was trying to see what memory allocation looks like when you work with compiler. And whenever you declare an object, it just take either space which is required for the memory allocation at any moment. So let's check for size. When I'm just checking for character only, when it's character name 9, and it's very clear it will take 9 because character takes 1 byte, integer takes 4 bytes. 4 bytes, yeah. Double and long takes like 8 bytes. I guess this is very much clear to each and everyone if you're a CS student. Okay. So, but the case is, let me just remove this thing. I'll just show you by the character. Right now, it will be giving an output of 1 over here as it is visible. But the moment you will uncomment the int, you know what the answer will be? It will be 8. Biggest. Wait, what is it? Biggest. INT take 4 bytes and name takes 5 bytes. Sorry, 1 byte. And when we think about memory allocation, just let me think like it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For example, it's like this area, this region, which I'll be marking with dots, is taken by integer, but directly a character comes in. And again, you start an integer from here. This will create an alignment change. Okay, wait, let me mark the character with hash. And now again moving to dot. This will spoil the alignment. So what compiler does? It will take the memory of the greater one. And you know what it will say? Okay, so why don't I give it a 4 byte allocation? Like, let it be 4. It looks good. And then if the next thing comes in, okay, let it have 4 again. And similarly, the case goes on. But I'll tell you one more catch over here. So you know that integer, which is it takes 4 bytes, and we are getting 8 bytes over here. So character array, like one for each and everything. So if it is empty array, wait for a while. Sorry, one second. Okay. When you run it, it will be 4 because it's character array, and it never got an allocation of memory. One second. And now just I'll give it a size, and it will be 8. It will be 8 because the memory has been allocated now. Now I'll say for 8, if I take 4, it will not be incrementing for 4 as well because it will fix in the space here only. But the moment I turn it to 5, it will shift to 12. So this is the basic thing that compiler is doing. Like it was hash hash and it says, okay, I want one more character with it. So it will say, okay, take some more memory and yeah, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yeah, I'm good to go with each and everything over here. So I guess I have made you somehow this concept some clear that how padding works and like, how it will be working around. So we call it pad, that the space between it is called pad. So for example, with one integer, like let me just change it again. Now the memory is allocated, the answer will be 8. So this is the space taken. This is pad, this is a pad, this is a pad, this is a pad, and he will say, okay, fine, I have given you 3 digits padding. So this will be the padding over here. I'll just name it as P, A, and D. And he'll say, okay, fine, this will be padding between it to keep it aligned. And now you can take another space. And This is how padding works to align data. I guess this helps a lot, and that's it. Cool.